What is up, YouTube? HardRick247 coming at you with another video. If you haven't done it already, make sure you smash that subscribe button so you don't miss any other of my uploads of content. And in this video, guys, we're going to be doing unboxing. Okay? Now, and this unboxing is very special because it is a free sample. I never had to pay a dime for this box. Completely free, 100%. All you got to do is give your email and you get a free sample. What is it? Well, this is called No Baby Goes Unhugged. Meaning what? They're trying to help the community and help the less fortunate, and when you give your email, it helps out other babies that are being born at the hospital that are less fortunate. So, it's really, really good because even on YouTube, how we're growing as a community, everyone's being helped all over the world. But with no further ado, we're going to unbox this now, guys, and we're going to show you what you get in this box. So here we go. So, when we open the box, it's been a long day, guys, so I gotta reclose this box. I opened it backwards. Sorry about that. Shame on me. Here's the box, guys. Sorry, I don't do many unboxings. But anyway, bam. That is cool. As you guys can see here, those hugs are just the beginning. Okay, so we've got a box here. It says special delivery. It's a newborn, so that's perfect, guys. That's perfect, because I'm going to be expecting a baby in a couple months, and this is perfect. So I'll open this up to show you guys what you give here. And this is awesome. They give you 32 newborn baby diapers, guys. Look at that. Amazing. All for just putting in your email. Beautiful diapers. And they're Huggies, by the way, as you guys can see. Not Pampers, Huggies. Just want to mention that in there. So we'll throw that back in the box, guys. Slides right in there. And you also get Huggy wipes. You get 32 of them. That's pretty cool. Every parent knows you can never have enough wipes. So, you know, you get free wipes right here. And you also get a couple things in here. You have coupons here. Save $3 on your Huggies. Save $1. Let's see what else we got in here, guys. Thanks for helping us hug. So you guys can see that. Hugs are so important for babies to grow healthy and strong. I'm not going to read the whole thing, but you guys get the gist. You're helping out a great cause. Anybody that's can read French, here you go. My grandma's French Canadian, so yeah, I know how it is. I hear her speak French all the time, so I'm used to it. And you also get, looks like you get mom's program. I guess it tells you things, what you can do here. Oh, that's French. You can see that? They got a French one. That's why I can't read it, because I'm not French. I'm English, so here we go. My hug plan. Perfect. That is English. So we got my hug plan. You know, it says better body temperatures, more stable heart rate, stuff like that. It's got all the check marks there and stuff to make a healthy baby and stuff like that. And then on the back of it, you can put your name here. My name is, and there's things you can check off when you're at the hospital or after the hospital. I want to be the first to hold the baby on my bare chest before the cord is cut and clamped, or after the cord is cut and clamped, and then so on, guys. You just fill that out, and it's just a nice little thing you can go on and look and make yourself a better parent overall. But yeah, guys, please check this out. Once again, it's called No Baby Goes Unhugged. Check out the website, nobabygoesunhugged.com. I'll try to find the website and leave a link in the description. If I cannot, then just go on Google and type in No Baby Gets Unhugged. Sign up for free. Put your email in. And ladies, don't be shy, okay? Who doesn't want free stuff for your baby? If you're pregnant and expecting and you're having some difficulties with finance problems, guys, you can sign up for all this stuff here, guys. Get free diapers, you know, newborn, and this is just great, guys. So I hope this video can inspire some of you moms out there to go out and don't be shy and to sign up for this. Once again, nobabygetsUnhugged.com, and you sign up for free. You get a whole bunch of, you get some coupons, guys. You know how moms go crazy for coupons. Come on, ladies, come on. Free coupons. Who doesn't want free coupons? What lady doesn't want free coupons? Make sure you like and subscribe. Thank you.